friend! Easter is fast approaching, so I want to get together some gift baskets for our teachers. So I want to show you all the different products I've gathered, and then we'll see how we end up putting it together. I got these two blue baskets from Target for 10 bucks. They're interesting because they do look like painted wicker, but they have this give to them, like it's a like vinyl or flexible plastic. I don't know. I almost got this like white gray toned one, but I decided that the blue was more fun. And then I had a couple other baskets. These were from Walmart, 98 cents each, but they are quite flimsy. Probably not gonna hold up to all the different things I end up putting in a basket, so I think I'll save these for something else. We've got some paper filler. This white one with kind of an iridescent color to it is Dollar Store. And then the green one is from Target. So I was excited to find some cool stuff from the Dollar Tree Basket Buddies. And so it's just a way of decorating your Easter basket. There's little bunny ears and like felt flowers, and I just thought it would be a cute thing to decorate with, so I grabbed a couple. And then I saw these cellophane bags that have peeps on them. So they're these brightly colored peeps all over the clear bag. I don't know if I'll use both. We'll see what we end up doing, but I thought these were really cute too. We've got a couple card options from the Dollar Tree as well. This bunny's got a little flower crown on him, and this one is like gold and sparkly, and it says Happy Easter. I was thinking it would be fun to dress up the baskets with some faux flowers. I found some like peonies from TJ Maxx, but they were kind of expensive, so I ended up picking up these from Target. There's 2 sprigs in each of these, so I was planning on tucking 2 in so it kind of decorates the basket, but then it's also doubles as spring decorations for them to use elsewhere. And they're just like these felt cute little flowers. And then to go with that, they had little matching garlands, so I grabbed 2 of these as well. The blue ties into those blue baskets I got, and then the white and yellow kind of pop against it, so I thought that would be a cute pairing. Okay, now let's get into more of the gift things we've collected. I've been loving giving Meyer's hand soap or any like nicer hand soap as a gift. This one is the honeysuckle scent, and what's nice is you can pick these up at the Dollar Tree now. So they're 5 bucks, roughly the same price at like Target or anywhere else. So it was nice to be able to pick up a bigger item, but I love that they're kind of like a fun treat, but it's also very functional. Everybody needs hand soap. Candles, although I think are great, can be tricky because unless you know the person and know what scents they like, you know, it could be a hit or miss. So I decided to try Foundry brand. I found at just at Albertsons Sandalwood Sea and Whiskey and Oak, and it's like a 3-wick candle, which is nice, so they're easy to burn and they're just very like aesthetic and cool and gender neutral scent, and so hopefully it will appeal to anybody. Okay, now we'll get into all the chocolate. First, I picked up these crispy eggs with caramel filling. I love getting chocolate that looks like the packaging is very cute and high-end, you know? All right, in terms of chocolate bunnies, we have these little mini ones, and then I grabbed 2 of the bigger gold milk chocolate bunnies from Lindt. I can't put together an Easter gift without including some cream eggs from Cadbury. This was actually a Christmas clearance item from Target that I got. They expire like next year or something, so they're good to be used, but they're Jelly Bellies cocktail classic flavors: Moscow Mule, Pina Colada, Strawberry Daiquiri. And then my favorite like healthy snack to pick up at the Dollar Tree are their freeze-dried strawberries. And the cute like white and pink packaging is really cute too. So I think that's all I have. I guess we'll start building these baskets. Oh, I was gonna say I have everything laid out, but I do Easter eggs and fill them with a little something, and so there's like eggs in the Easter basket, if that makes sense. Okay, so I grabbed some Easter eggs, and then I've got enough chocolate, I think. I grabbed a couple non-chocolate candies. I think I like the look of the green filler more, so maybe I'll put the white at the bottom of the baskets. What's funny with this grass stuff is as cute as it is as a mother, I now don't really like and appreciate the stuff very much because I have to clean it up. Okay, I think that's good to start, and then we can tuck more in later. Let's put in the big items. So the hand soap and the candle, the Whiskey and Oak candle, the soap. There we go. Just make sure there's some grass in between to kind of keep them separated. We'll just start playing around with it and see how we like the arrangement of everything. cute. So I feel like they're looking cute so far. I guess, yeah, maybe I'll tuck in the eggs next. So we'll do that. Just gotta decide what colors I want to use. Green is fun. Okay, obviously I'm going a little over the top, choosing which colors I want. That's just my personality type. I think these would be cute. And then maybe we'll do a green in each or a yellow. Let's see if the candies fit in the selected eggs. Is that combo cute? I'll just put a couple Starbursts. This is more for aesthetics than anything. A couple in here. These are my daughter's, one of their favorite candies. I can always find them at the Dollar Tree. We'll see if I can get them to fit in these little eggs though. Ooh, maybe not quite. That's not gonna work. Okay, I'm just gonna put 2 Starbursts in this one. All right, so we'll see how that looks to just have a few tucked in. Makes it look more like a real Easter basket, I think. Okay. These. Ooh, one of my hairs got stuck in there. Okay, now I'm going to add a little more of this paper grass stuff. And then I think I want to get something to secure the bunnies on top of the candles so they don't slide around. Okay, cute. I learned this hack from Bargain Bethany. So we'll just place one on the bottom of the bunny and secure it onto the candle. A little more secure. Okay, I'm feeling pretty good about them. See if I can fit these in here somehow. I don't know, should I take them apart or just put the whole thing in? I don't know. Okay, I think I like that. Just behind the bunnies. And I think for the cards, since I'm not going to be putting like anything inside of them, I'm just going to leave out the envelopes so that way you can just see the pretty card already. And then I just need to decide which or both of these. Okay, so the Dollar Tree kit comes with these 2 felt ears and this pretty felt greenery, and then it looks like just the rest is paper. The little flowers. Actually, I'm gonna try the peep bags first, the little bunny ears next, and see which one we like best. So that's pretty cute. And then, oh, are these stickers? Oh, I thought I would need glue. Okay, so I can just stick them on the basket, and then we can tuck bunny ears in the front. And then these bigger flowers aren't stickers, but they're like a thicker cardboard. I like too how the felt ears kind of tie in with the felt flower. All right, I think I'm gonna go with these basket buddies, and then I'll use those peep bags for a different project. I think I'm gonna skip like the bunny eyes and mouth and stuff. It's a little too literal for an adult basket, but I'm just gonna use those glue dots again to add on the flowers. I'll probably add a clear bag over the top to hold everything in, but as far as decoration, I think that's about it. I hope you enjoyed that and got some ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.